INKAS is synonymous with armored vehicles and quality worldwide. The company now does robotics, unmanned ground vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned sea vehicles. The company does radars, jamming, anti-drone systems, training. We are proudly counting multiple prominent militaries and law enforcement agencies as our client. People come to INKAS because people know INKAS can deliver.
Ecosystem, that word stems from the ability to provide everything. What that means is, from the initial consultation phase, you might have a government or security agency or law enforcement organization. They're dealing with something or they don't know how to deal with something. They can call us. We can go down and see, okay, what are the risks? What do you need? We'll conduct a risk assessment, threat assessment, the whole 9 yards, and then come up with a sustainable procurement plan, training plan, etc. So we can supply them from armored vehicles to drones, counter drones, perimeter protection, training, maintenance and repair. So from end to end, all under the umbrella of INKAS. So it's an all-encompassing ecosystem.
Texelis is a French company based in Limoges, Centre France, and we are specialized in mobility solutions for armored vehicles. Here we have a perfect example of a true cooperation between a Canadian company, INKAS, and Texelis, building modern and high-performance 4x4 vehicle. So Texelis has been taking all this knowledge about working for decades, building armored cars for a lot of different countries. Lately, we have been working with the French army to build the Serval, and now we put all this experience for our export partners. And this is a perfect example on how we can build an equivalent of the Serval in a different country, with different companies, and in a record time.
The secret sauce is the ecosystem. You have suppliers that specialize in vehicles, drones, counter drones, radars. But INKAS has the ability to provide all of this. So we manufacture most of this stuff already. And then if there's something that we don't, we're also an integrator. So being a manufacturer and integrator gives us that competitive advantage, because if I don't have it, I'll get it for you, but I'll make sure I get you the best product, integrate it into our system, and deliver it.
And the guiding principle is, especially at INKAS Aerospace and Defense, the entire team, almost the entire team, is all former end users. And so what this team knows is what the end user wants and what the end user feels like. This really sets INKAS apart from the rest of the industry because we care.
Of course, in the current context, the need of armored vehicle is increasing, but also the need of create cooperation with different countries, different armies, and having a polyvalent solution is also very required. So this vehicle is able to fulfill many of the needs of a modern army, able to take a lot of equipments, modern equipments, and also having incredible cross-country capabilities. So I mean, it's a real pleasure to work with INKAS on this project. It's just the beginning. Now we will go on the international market together, creating other cooperation and developing other variants, and hopefully being very successful.
So today, it's a very historic moment for our company. We're introducing a new product, a groundbreaking new product, a next generation mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle built using only European-made NATO components. And this product is a reality because of a very unique cooperation between two countries, between two companies, Canada and France, INKAS and Texelis. With the help of our friends from Texelis, we were able to build a unique product, and we're very proud of the result, a true French-Canadian cooperation.
We are really happy to be there alongside our partner INKAS to present this beautiful vehicle, a beautiful realization. It's a start of a true cooperation to provide together to many international customers a new experience, both in terms of vehicle performance, but also in terms of sales perspective.